In Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, journals are a valuable tool for managing and recording financial transactions before posting them to the system. In this video, we'll explore the concept of journals and their key features in Business Central. By understanding journals, you'll gain insights into how they can enhance your financial data management and operations. Journals in Business Central act as temporary worksheets, allowing you to enter, review, and adjust transactions before they're posted to the general ledger or other relevant modules. Key features of journals include their role as a temporary holding area, flexible transaction management capabilities, and batch processing functionality. There are several types of journals in Business Central, each designed for specific purposes. Let's explore some of the most common ones. The General Journal is used for recording various financial transactions, including adjustments, accruals, and direct ledger entries. The Cash Receipt Journal is used for capturing customer payments and deposits into bank accounts. The Payment Journal handles vendor payments and bank withdrawals. The Item Journal is used for managing inventory adjustments, transfers, and revaluations. The Recurring Journal automates repetitive postings like rent or depreciation by setting up templates for regular entries. The Fixed Asset Journal records transactions related to fixed assets, such as acquisitions, depreciation, and disposals. The workflow of using a journal involves data entry, validation, and posting. Data entry involves manually inputting or importing transaction details into a journal. The system then validates the entries for errors or missing data. Once reviewed, the entries are posted to the relevant ledgers, such as the General Ledger, Customer Ledger, or Vendor Ledger. Journals offer several benefits for accurate and efficient financial record keeping. Journals ensure accurate and organized financial records by providing a workspace for reviewing and adjusting transactions before posting. Journals provide flexibility in handling various transaction types, including general ledger postings, customer payments, and inventory adjustments. Journals allow for review and adjustments before final posting, ensuring the accuracy and completeness of financial data. Journals play a critical role in maintaining accurate financial records and smooth operations within Business Central. By leveraging journals effectively, you can enhance your financial data management, ensuring the integrity and reliability of your accounting processes.